Go!
Hello everyone, I am Somebody, and in this video, we are going to dive into the rural area of China. And here, I am going to show you what a Chinese birthday celebration looks like.
It's now 8 a.m. in the morning and they are now preparing in the front yard. They're preparing for the 88th birthday celebration later on. And here, usually in China, the venue itself is inside the house. So later on, there will be tables inside the house, and then the kitchen is outside. So this is a made-up tent. They put up this tent yesterday, and then they're preparing it now this morning. So they're preparing it now, and then we're gonna be get ready for the 80th birthday celebration later on. So these are some skilled people. They can make it in advance. They can make it in the day itself, on the spot itself. They're highly skilled individuals. They're highly skilled people. And then inside the house later, they'll place all the tables here inside. So this whole house will act as the venue. The house itself is the venue. So here, I have prepared tables now. Later, all of the floors here will have tables, even on the second floor or maybe in the third floor.
So here's the prep area. They're preparing outside in the front yard. Here people are cutting up food, and then here we have five huge woks.
So they're cooking up the brace work now. The brace work. Also here, the master of this wok. Wok skills. Look at these wok skills. High flame. So hot in here. So now they are serving up the braised pork. I think it's still pretty early now. I think they're going to steam it more so that it will be pork tender. We're now gonna taste some of the braised pork that they cook. It's very good. Braised pork so good. And then now they're gonna steam it more. So it's already soft now, and then we're gonna steam it to make it more soft. Fish deliveries. They get some delivered fish, and then now they're gonna prep it, gonna descale it, and then they're gonna clean it up. Well, they're also masters of the nice skills. The cigarette on their mouth. It's like they're just slicing a cake. Chef right here is frying up some shallots. He's the head chef. He's the head chef of this group. How organized they are. They are steaming right there. Here they are braising some pigeons. Then there, they're gonna fry some things. And then also in this pot, I think they are also braising something. And then here, these are braising abalone. Braising some abalone. Abalone. And here they got some broth. This broth has been simmering since last night. So they are now frying up the rice. It's pretty unique style of cooking. I've never seen that. They're frying the rice in the oil. They are now straining the rice from the oil. Now transferring the rice to the bowl, and then the rice will be steamed, so that they will be cooked later on. So you can see the organization and teamwork of this group, even though it is a bit messy looking. It looks a bit messy, but yeah, they are well organized and they know, each of them themselves, they know what to do. So chef gave us some chicken feet. Tuho. Set ba? Berdua. Chicken feet. Davao masih ada lanang. Davao ada lanang. Whoa, we got some live fish. Some live fish here. So it's butchering the fish on the spot. These fish are live fish. They're still moving. See? Fish are still moving. Look at all these soups. They are preparing soups for later. So they put some seafood inside the bowls, and then they are now placing some broth. So celebration is now starting. People are coming, and then take a look inside. All of them are family and friends. Some of them are neighbors. We have table here of friends and families. Also a lot of people here. Yeah, it's packed with people. So there's more people here. People here. Hey. The fireworks marks that the celebration is going to start, so that people who are far away can hear it, and they will also come here. It's almost 12 o'clock now. They have been here since 7 or 8 in the morning, and it's so amazing to see how well organized and professional they are. They only had few hours to cook for more than 100 people in the celebration today. Here the kitchen is heating up now, as the celebration is going to start in a few minutes. Uncle right here is frying up some pigeons. And now they're going to cut up the pigeons into pieces. So one of the perks of being in the kitchen is you get to try every piece of the dish first. So this is the pigeon. Oh, so delicious. So the dish are being served now. Let's follow them. So now they're getting a bit busy as guests has already arrived and a couple dishes have already been brought up to the table, and now they're preparing for more dishes to come. Their uncle here is cooking some noodles. He's cooking some stir-fried noodles. Look at him. Look at those live lobsters. Lobsters are still alive. So the celebration is now over. It was really lively, and see, it's the aftermath of the celebration. It's a bit messy over here. Go downstairs. It was really lively a while ago, noisy, and a bit busy from the people because there's a lot of people. And yeah, that's how they celebrate birthday here in China, especially a big birthday, like 80th birthday, like that. Kitchen area, they're also cleaning up the kitchen area now. It's my cousin here. So yeah, that's how they celebrate birthday here in China. Very unique and different, very different from what we have in other countries.
We're going to end our celebration with some fireworks.